Hello, it's me, Crazy Rebecca, Dances with Pitbulls. Oh, it's Crazy Quilt Friday, I hope. I just don't know. I am attempting to... I didn't realize these were like this. Pardon me. Pardon my... yeah. I'm trying to put the backing on my Burgundy Crazy Quilt. I cut it slightly larger than the quilt top, and it helps that I have these lines. I have to do this. So you can't really see that part. I need a bigger table. But see, I can line it up on that line and on this line over here, but I'm going to have to hand sew it. So I will hand sew. I will leave a spot to turn. I will turn, slip stitch that shut, and then figure out a hanger for it. But I wanted to show you that I have put, I don't know if I showed this, I put the backing, the band-aids, over the whole block to hold the embellishments down because it's so heavily embellished and it's got those clusters. So, oh, wish me luck because I'm going to need it. I gotta find that black thread. Oh, it's going to be a day, but I'm gonna try to do it today. Today, I say. Okay, it is 3 days later. I have hand sewn all the way around. I have left a turning spot right here. So I'm going to put this here. I hope I don't knock it off. And I'm going to trim . These trimmings can go in the red and black quilt. Though I do have quite a bit left, I still don't want to throw anything away except that black stuff right there. This piece will be good for tying up tomatoes later this year. This piece. And this piece also, because I got some pins. I don't want to knock them off. Almost landed that in my coffee over there. Okay, let's turn this thing. Other side. Right here, I'm going to reach in and grab the opposite corner. Remember me struggling with the Crazy Quilt pillow? This is going easier. sharp. Star sequin got me. To grab the corners. Very nice, very nice. I will need to slip stitch this part closed. I have a thread, needle and thread right here. Put that in like that with one of those pins. Okay. Now I have to think about this. Do I want to sew like right there to keep that backing down? And I will put, I think I'm going to put, I don't know, do I have black buttons I could put, or gold, or burgundy? I don't know. So that's my next thing. Stop and think. Look through the buttons. Oh my God, this thing is gorgeous. Oh my gosh, really? Yep. I love it. I love it to pieces. Okay. I'm off to go think. Okay, I have completed my hand stitching of the edge, and now I am ready to sew the buttons at the corners. I have chosen these buttons. I wish I had more of them, but I don't. They're very vintage. I needed 16 buttons in total, so I knew I was pushing it to... the blacks are not all exactly the same. That's okay. It's a crazy quilt, right? I'm going to sew through both layers to hold it together. I did not use a batting on this one. I'm thinking I might use a batting on the Wackadoodle quilt, but on this one I did not because I had a sturdy enough backing fabric. So the next step after I get these buttons sewn down is to sew a sleeve on the back to hang it. So we'll be back. Okay, it is done. I don't know if you can tell. This is the sleeve. Wouldn't it be cool, I think, with a wrought iron curtain rod with like leaf finials on it? I think that would be so cool. I don't have any place to hang this up. Oh my God, I can't believe it's done. I still have, well, okay. Hold on, hold the boat, hold the dough. I'll put a label on it with my name. Man, my hand's shaking. I'm so excited, my hand's shaking. I'm going to put a label on the back with my name and 2019, 2020. And I'm going to take pictures of each block, and I will be posting them in the Facebook group, my secret club. So, and I want you to know, when I post them, you are free to copy anything I do. Anything. because I want you to. Okay, so let me sign off here and I will take the pictures, and I'm going to be concentrating on my daughter's quilt next. Thank you.